In this video, I'm going to do a review of the Splendor Planner Love Simulated Leather Snap Binder by Franklin Planner. This binder is called their Floral binder, and it's in the compact size. I'm so excited. This is one of Franklin Planner's newest binders that they just released for the fall. This video is not sponsored by Franklin Planner. They sent this binder to me to give an honest review. Hi everyone, my name is Tonya. I make videos on practical planning, organization, and small business. Hi, are you on Facebook? If so, please follow me by searching for @iTonyaPlans. Are you on YouTube? Hey, hi! If so, please like this video and subscribe. And are you on Instagram? If so, please follow me at Tonya_plans. So let's open this baby up. It comes in a clear like cellophane wrapper with some polka dot tissue paper, and as you can see here on the tag, it says Compact Planner Love Splendor Simulated Leather Strap 1, which stands for 1-inch floral binder. Look at it's gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that color. Oh, the green is beautiful. It's like I would say a darker like emerald green in the background here. Look at that. Look at the stitching there, and there's like a cute little gold heart there like they have on most of their Planner Love binders. So what we're looking at here, you have like a pretty flower here and here. It's like a rose, and the color is like a off-white and a light blush pink color, and then there are lighter greens here, darker greens with some black there. Oh, it's gorgeous. And actually, you know what? There is a texture to this binder. Yeah, you can like feel where the flowers are. So this is not just a flat design on here. It's actually raised a little bit, and you can actually feel the design with your fingers. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is a beautiful color for fall. I love pink and green together. I absolutely love it. So this is the front, and let me turn it around the back. Oh, and look here on the spine. A beautiful flower is right here on the spine. So if you have this sitting on a bookshelf, this is what you'll see. You'll see this a spine like this. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. And this is the back. Gorgeous, beautiful. I love this green. It's like it's so different. So let's open her up. Now this is a snap open and shut closure there, and you can see the snap there. Oh, look at that. It's gorgeous. So here's the tag here. Again, it says the same thing. It says Compact Planner Love Splendor Simulated Leather Strap 1-inch Floral Binder by Franklin Planner. And you have your Do Not Eat packet here of silica gel. Let's just put that to the side. Take this. I'm going to take these papers out. It's gorgeous. So on the inside here, you have, this is like a textured polka dot. So you can kind of feel it. You can rub your hands over it, and this is the same type of texture. If I have other Planner Love binders in this series, and it looks like pretty much the same material. And what I like about it is when I slide papers in and out of the secretarial pocket, they slide in and out very easily. They don't get stuck because of the material here. So I like that. There are 2 pin loops here. You can see one is here, and just notice this beautiful green on the inside. I think it's so different. I love it. But the great thing about these planner loops is the elastic on the back. So I have real skinny ink pens and I can put them in with no problem. They don't just fall out. But if you're the type of person with a fat ink pen, that will fit as well because of the elastic on the back there. And there are two pen loops, one on the front cover and one on the back, and that one has the elastic on the back as well. And as far as card slots, you have 1, 2, 3 slots for cards here. And again, there's the secretarial pocket, and notice how it is lined on the other side here. So there's great attention to detail, and I've never had a problem with the quality of Franklin Planners products. I absolutely love them. On the back here is a flap on the back cover, and what I do is I stick receipts in there, but if you have a notepad, you can stick a notepad in here, and like the cardboard part will go in this slip cover, and then the notebook will hang over, and you just simply can write on your notebook while it's attached to your planner. It's gorgeous. And here is a tag here. It says Franklin Planner plus My Mind's Eye Planner Love, and that's the series of binders this is. Now notice the rings. Now rings are really important for us planner folks because the rings can make or break a great binder. And notice that the rings are tightly closed. There are no gaps. Let me move this. There are no gaps in these rings. If you can see, there are no gaps there. Now why is that important? Because when you are turning pages in your binder, if you have a gap here, your pages get stuck. And this way, if your rings are tight, your pages will just turn very easily with these type of rings. Now let me get my ruler out here. Now these are 1-inch rings. As you can see there, that's 1 inch. And I like 1-inch rings because it seems like it's just, now this again is the compact size. So what does compact size mean? Okay, so let me just measure this really quickly. So going down this way, the long way, it's measuring about 7.75 inches long, and across it's about 6.5 inches across. And the thickness of this binder part is about 2 inches. So although your rings are 1 inch, you can fill this binder up to like almost 2 inches because the spine here is wider. Now opening this back up here, I absolutely love it. I think the colors are great for the fall. It is so pretty and it's refreshing. I like moving into new planner binders because it kind of keeps your planning fresh, and that's an advantage of having a ring bound planner. And as you know, we call this a ring bound planner because of course there are rings. Some planners, of course, you can buy wired planners and they already have pages, they're pre-filled with pages, and that's great if that's what you like, but I like the ability to take planner pages in and out of my planner. I can make my planner as light as I want or as heavier as I want, and I have an option of what goes in my planner. I can change my mind and take planner pages out. I can change my mind and put planner pages in, and that's why I am a ring bound planner person. But this is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to move some of my planner pages in here. Now before I do that, let me just give you an idea of how much this planner weighs empty. Now the reason I want to do that is because if you're like me and you're trying to carry around a lighter load, how much a planner weighs is important. Okay, so here's my scale, and as you can see right now there's zeros here on the scale. So I'm going to weigh this binder, and it weighs 11.1 ounces. So that's well under a pound there, because a pound is 16 ounces. This is 11.1 ounces. And I think that's pretty light for a planner cover. The reason why I kind of started moving away from the leather planners, and the reason I did that is I find that the leather planners tend to weigh more. And I carry my planner everywhere. I'm not the type of person that only leaves my planner like on a desk. I take it with me. I put it, it's in and out of my purse. So it's important that my planner is light to begin with before I start putting pages in it. So I hope you found that helpful by me weighing the planner. So now let's go ahead and start putting some planner pages in here. Now I've moved all of my planner pages in here, and this is how it looks from the top, and this is about how thick it is as far as with my planner pages, and this is how the side long view looks. Here are my 2 ink pens. The great thing about this planner is that the pen loops are not interfering with the planner pages or the tabs, so it doesn't bend any of the tabs, which is great. Everything fits just cute and nice. Let's open this up. Now I'm not going to do a full planner flip through in this video because I don't want to make the video too long. I kind of want to just stay focused on reviewing this binder. But what I carry, just to give you a quick overview of what I carry in my binder, is I carry a day on 2 pages planner, and it looks like this. This is a day on 2 pages, and I carry 2 months worth of these pages. And I also carry about 2 years of these monthly tabs. That way, when I want to plan out in the future, I'll have the monthly tab there, and I can simply put it on future monthly tab pages. Or if I want to look back at a past date or see what happened on that date, or look up an old work schedule or anything, I have those monthly pages in here as well. I have trackers in here. I have all types of things. I got to do a full planner flip through. All of the items that you see here in this video, I will link below in the YouTube description. But look, get this. I also have some accessories to match this gorgeous thing. I'm going to do a separate video on that because I don't want to make this video too long, but the accessories are so super cute. You know, if this is cute, the accessories are going to be super cute as well. So you're going to love it. Just be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss that. Just a quick note, all of the items shown in this video will be listed in the description area of this video. Also, if you would like to save 20% on your order, you can go to my website, TonyaPlans.com. Click on this top link here, which will take you to the planner website. Once you add an item to your cart, you can go to checkout. And if you scroll down a little bit, there's an area for promo code. You would simply right-click and click paste, and the current promo code to save 20% will be pasted in the field for you. So, what do you think of this planner? Please let me know in the comments, or if you have questions, you may put those in the comments as well. This is Tonya, helping you feel more organized so this can be your best year yet. Take care.